Hi friends, welcome back to our channel. So you're watching episode 7 of our Madurai-Munnar series. So in the last video, we left Eco Point and made our way to Vattavada via top station. Before you enter Vattavada, you will need to pass through the Shola National Park Forest checkpost. Just a heads up, the park is open for entry and exit between 6 am and 6 pm. You need to provide your vehicle number and stay details to get through. Vattavada is a small village right on the Kerala-Tamil Nadu border. Vattavada is about 45 kilometers from Munnar, taking about 1 hour 25 minutes to get there, making it a perfect spot for some relaxation since the mobile network is pretty much non-existent. As we drove along the reserve forest route, we were lucky enough to spot a herd of wild Indian tahr. There were about 15 to 20 wild Indian tahrs. Since they were huge in numbers, we stopped our vehicle a little far ahead and we happily watched them grazing, and as soon as they moved little away from the main road, we just continued our journey. And this was the first time we spotted such a huge number of wild Indian tahrs, and we felt very happy watching these animals grazing freely in the national park. Our journey continued through the Nilgiri trees, along the narrow roads, the rustic village, the gullies, and we felt like a total different experience. Since it was a Krishna Janmashtami, we even saw some kids dressed up like little Krishna. And a few more kilometers we reached Trip Valley Resorts, where we were staying with plenty of free time. With plenty of free time, we spent the afternoon flying the drones and playing with my daughter. The resort was amazing with great food, great view, and a lot of greeneries. We stayed in a cozy little room with a balcony with the view of lush green mountains. Our previous day ended with a lot of fun, campfire, and great food. next morning, we got up early, took a walk around the resort, and the gardener gave us some fresh woody carrots. Then we spent some time capturing a time lapse of slowly moving clouds, the crystal clear water in the pool, and the green mountains as the backdrop. And the nearby waterfalls. Since we were here to just relax, we didn't check out the nearby strawberry farm or take the trek to the waterfall. There isn't much to do in Vattavada, so we decided to explore the other side of Munnar, which you can catch up in our episode 6 video. Like this video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and leave your valuable comments. Thanks for watching.